All right, welcome back. Hopefully you and your family had a happy Memorial Day, and a huge shout out to our servicemen and servicewomen who protect our country, and those who have served before and gave the ultimate sacrifice so that we can enjoy our freedoms. With that said, we'll get to our rundown for this week. So we're going to jump into, on Tuesday, here's your quiz review on 7-1 and 7-4, or excuse me, 7-3 and 7-4. And your quiz is going to be on Wednesday. I will run a help session at 10 a.m. on Wednesday. You can get in that Google Meet by using PCM Kosenki. I will answer any questions you have on the quiz review or anything else to help you out with 7-3 and 7-4. Then your quiz will be posted. That is due by 8 o'clock on Wednesday. Thursday, you can look at the video of the notes for 7-5 on determinants, and then start 7-5 worksheet 1. That is due on Friday. Friday, I will also have a help session again at 10 a.m. Same access code, PCM Kosenki. Answer any questions you have on the determinants, and then you can start worksheet 7-5 number 2, which will be due Monday, June 1st. All right, have a great week. If you need any help, hit me up for a Google Hangout or stop by the Google Meets, or you can shoot me an email. Thanks a lot.